On how to use an encoder as an angular velocity sensor. Here on the left we have the Arduino code. We first declare the encoder on the do timer libraries. We declare one encoder with the respective input pins, the 2 and the 3 on the digital side of the Arduino. We declare the variables that we are going to use, the delta, the difference in the ticks, the anterior measurement and the actual measurement. We have the revolutions per minute and the angular velocity. All these two start to 0 because we will do some operations on them. We declare this function that we will call with this attach interrupt here, and we will call it every 1000 microseconds, so every millisecond. So in this function, the first thing we do is we read the position of the encoder and we send it to the actual variable. Then the delta, it's going to be the difference between the actual variable and the previous one, the ant variable. And now we use this formula that we have in the one node, which is delta times 2 pi divided over the number of ticks per revolution, which is 4,480 in this particular encoder, and the n, which is the delta t, which is the time interval. This formula can be found here. Now that we have the angular velocity, we only have to apply this simple formula to convert it to revolutions per minute. After doing that, the last actual measurement of the encoder becomes the previous one in this line. In this part of the setup, we initiate the serial communication to be able to print it to the screen. We initiate one of the timers that will do the interruptions. And here we declare that this is going to perform this function and every millisecond as previously stated. And here we only print the values obtained. So we connect the motors. We have the motor moving, and the reading on the Arduino gives us 160, which is almost the same as the reading obtained by the tachometer, which was 159 revolutions per minute.